Hello everyone, it's Kashkunu here, and today we are looking at how to make money by playing free mobile games. Yes, it's true, you can make money by playing free mobile games that you can download from free from Play Store or Apple Store, and today we are looking at how you can actually do it. First, you go on to Google and search Swagbucks, or go from the link in my bio. When you come here, you need to make an account, and it's completely free to make an account, so you don't need to worry about it. And then, when you have created a free account, you get here, and this is where you might get confused. This is a very confusing page. There is so much on this page going on, but basically what you do on Swagbucks is you do all sorts of things to earn money, like you shop and get cashbacks, and you can answer surveys.
The servers pay better than playing games, but playing games is always more fun than filling out surveys that you don't even qualify for most times, but it's still good.
That's why I play these mobile games, and I can also show proof that I have actually got some money from playing those mobile games. And then here we can see 4th on April, it's a long time ago, but still, I completed this Mr. Mainry Hidden Objectives. I needed to play that game to level 20 so I could redeem these 221 Swagbucks, and 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1 or €1. So yeah, I played this game Mr. Maynard to level 20. It was actually pretty fun to play, and I got paid from it €2.21. It's not actually bad to play, and now you might be wondering, why would somebody pay to play your game? It's because they can show you ads, and they get money from it. They might get more money from the ads than what they give to you, and you might make in-game purchases, or you might get addicted to the game and watch more ads inside of it. So they benefit from it, and you benefit from it because you have fun and you earn money. In this video I'm actually going to show you one offer that I'm doing, and I am doing it from the AIT Studios, and it's 2 times Swagbucks now, and I am going to do this solitaire play. And now let's move on to my phone screen so we can see how you can actually do it. So firstly, we want to do this, so we click solitaire play, and now we need to scan this QR code, so we go onto our phone.
So now I am on my phone's camera, so we are going to click the offer as we did, and then we are going to scan the QR code with our camera and click the link that shows up, and then it throws us to our phone's Internet Explorer, where it is the same page but mobile version, so we automatically get to the offer, and then we just click it, the plus sign there, and then it redirects us to Google Play, or we need to manually redirect ourselves, but it's easy. And then when we get to Google Play, we just download the game and start to play. So the game downloaded, and I opened it, and I needed to play through 5 of these solitaire decks, and it took me just about 45 minutes to get that offer done, so it was fast, and I actually enjoyed playing that game. It was pretty fun to play. It was more fun than answering surveys or stuff like that, and I could play this game more. It was actually fun, but I'm not good at solitaire, so it could have been a shorter time to complete if I was good at solitaire, but this game was actually fun to play, and I got the credits instantly to my Swagbucks account, and I can show them now.
So here we are at the Swagbucks, and if you were paying attention, you noticed that before this offer I had about 800 Swagbucks, and now I have over 1000 Swagbucks, and I can actually show off from here that they credited that I actually got it. So here we can see from Discover, Solitaire Play Classic Free Klondike Call. So we got 191 Swagbucks from it. It's about €2. Yep, it's pretty easy. Was actually pretty easy and fun to do. So in this video I am not actually going to cash out from Swagbucks. I'm not going to cash out it as PayPal, although I have the Swagbucks to do it, but I'll leave some payment proof to the description so you can see that this website is trustworthy and actually pays. And that is basically everything from today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Please leave a like on this video, it would mean a lot to me. Bye bye.